Opening possession of the game and of the season. Caught in traffic by Bradford Houseal. He breaks one tackle, still on his feet, picks up 6 yards on the first down play. And they'll follow. Mark Rector, second effort, gets him the first down. Going deep down the middle, wide open. That's a first down and more. Down to the 15 goes Spencer Martin. Now a big third and long play. Again, lots of time. Throws into the end zone. Touchdown, Spencer Martin.
Great throw by Branch. Nice route by Spencer. Split to the near side.
And off to Crawford. Cox is going to hold on the right side. And cuts it back up the hash marks all the way to the 20. What a hit by Miller Williams. Pitch back to the tailback.
Aaron Adams makes a great play.
And Wilson Love. Gives it to the tailback. He's hit hard. The ball's on the ground. Spartans have it.
What a job on the defense.
Looking right side. Has a man off. Again, the pass on the money.
Houseal.
Bradford Houseal. Beck gives it to Bradford Houseal on a reverse. Chris. Leaping over tacklers. Houseal all the way out to the 48. Fakes to Rector. Back to pass. Throwing deep. And he's got him. He's got him at the 20. And it's a touchdown, Bradford Houseal.
What a throw. No flag.
At Thompson 45, little short pass is complete and good effort.
Fumble.
And he fumbled at the end of the play. Partners say they've got it. They are right. Who came out of there with it? Was it Adam Pounds? Tonight as well. And his lead blockers. Right a hole right up the middle. He's to the 20. Nice cutback. 10-5. He's down there inside the 5. Williams in as the lead blockers. Rector has it.
Touchdown.
Touchdown. From 2 yards out. Running right behind Pounds and Williams on the left side of the line. Comes the defense. Yeah, great play. 4-4. Branch back to pass. And underneath it's Houseal. Cut back, has a first down.
That Bradford Houseal has got the quickest feet, I'm telling you.
Got him in the backfield.
Oh, my goodness.
Branch back to pass. He throws, and it is.
Caught.
What a catch!
Wow.
Bradford has the deal out of bounds at the 30.
My goodness, what a catch.
Harrison Smith again.
Touchdown.
Into the end zone. Touchdown. Harrison Smith. Branch back to pass. And underneath, it's Houseal. Cuts back, has a first down.
Oh, there's Clay Yeager making a big stop.
Clay Yeager.